Yeah. Here's good. Yep. We started right here. Those are tracks right here. To the blue sign.
What?
To the blue sign. Go ahead. Oh, they moved it now. We can jump. Okay, go ahead and we'll stop at the blue sign down there.
What blue sign? I can't see.
There's a blue sign, but also the 3 blacks there. Go ahead. The black sign. Okay? Right down here, the same place we stopped last time, right at the opening of the black fences. Okay, ready for this?
Is it black?
Yep, that's a blackie. Ready?
Yeah, wait.
Want me to go first?
I want an easy way.
What's that?
I want an easy way.
Yeah.
That's fun line.
This isn't that bad, hey? Like once we get over this first part, it gets pretty easy. Okay. Okay, well, I think we go to here and then back this way.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go first? Yeah. Yep. Good job, bud. Remember to keep your upper body downhill, okay? Face your upper body downhill, like this. Upper body downhill. Yep. There you go. There you go. Now do some turns. You're good. Good job, bud. Wait, come on. Hold on, buddy. I just want to make sure they're going to go first, okay? No, other way. Yep. Okay. Okay, so I want you to go first. If you want to hit the jump, it's just on this side down there, okay? Give her. You go first. Good? What's that? Yeah, eagle. Ready? Oh, straight ahead of here. Stop here, buddy. Nice. Good job.